Hi, my name is Benjamin Gerald. This presentation will cover significant 2025 updates to FDM 212. The major changes to this chapter include modifications to Table 212.11.1 for dB calculations and clarification on the placement of vegetation and trees in the Clear Site Window concept section. The table for sight distance for a left turn from the highway was modified to provide 6 new equations for calculating dB lengths for varying combinations of lateral offset and lane widths. The original table was developed when standard lane widths were 12 feet and the standard lateral offset was 6 feet. Now lane widths can vary from 10 feet to 12 feet depending on things like design speed, context classification, number of lanes, truck volumes, and so forth. And the minimum lateral offset can vary from 1.5 feet to 4 feet depending on the design element, design speed, and new construction or 3R criteria. In addition to the equations, we modified note number 1 in the table to provide clarification on the use of the 6 new equations. These equations should cover most lane widths and lateral offset scenarios, but if you have a project where the travel lane and the turn lane widths are different, you can use the calculated dB values to interpolate the appropriate dB value. This change was made based on questions we have received regarding placement of trees on roadways. So in the Clear Site Window concept section, we modified the language to provide clarification on the placement of vegetation and trees regarding clear site triangles. Thank you for listening to this webinar, and please let us know if you have any questions.